Welcome to the fun series of NDT. We are going to show you how NDT is fun. And the first thing in our series is MPI. आप सबको ऐसा लगता है कि MPI, क्या हम MPI को से डिफेक्ट पकड़ सकते हैं? So we have a yoke here, electromagnetic yoke, and we have a casting sample here. Let us try and test that and see whether the defects can be detected in MPI. So can we do that? So this is a already this is the water which we have, water ink which we have put on the test piece, and now now if you look at the laser look, can you see these multiple cracks? So these are the fatigue cracks that have developed on the casting. Now, will we be able to see these defects if we create a contrast? So yes, let us just rub it off. Can you just rub it off? Yes. To enhance the contrast, let us now paint it over. So let the magic begin. Let's do the same testing again. White particles, black particles over white and viola. You are still able to see the cracks even without magnetization. And when I started magnetization, I'm able to see more. So this was an example of residual magnetization where even without magnetization, I was able to detect the cracks. And now the fun part. What do you think? What will happen if I put a tape over it? If I put a tape over it, will I still be able to detect the cracks? Let's have some fun. Can MPI detect something which is not visible to the eyes? Okay, so let the fun begin. We have now put a tape, presuming that if our eyes cannot see the defects, can our yoke see the defects? I've already put a tape. So let us just do it without putting particles. I'm just magnetizing it. And now when I'm putting particles, look at the defects that we are able to see. So my yoke is still able to detect cracks which were deeper and which we were able to see. So the beauty of MPI is you can see much beyond what your eyes can. You can see beneath a coated surface, beneath a painted surface. That is the fun fact of MPI. The only thing is this thickness should be less than 50 microns. Enjoy and have a lot of fun. Thank you.